I know having the sports cars make you think that you're fast or you can beat anything on the road, but there are some things that you're not faster than, especially cops, because radio, helicopters, all that stuff. And this guy learns pretty quick that he should have never ran from the cops and should have just pulled over. Hey, let's go check out this video. But first, shout out to Scooper down in Florida. We're gonna be heading out to Tampa to check this video out. So guys, link in the description for his video and the channel. Go ahead and give him a subscribe, and let's go ahead and check this one out. As you guys can see right there, the turn 350Z, a Nissan 350Z. Real quick, if you don't know much about 350Z, it is a V6, not the twin turbo, V6 two-door lightweight sports car. It's pretty quick actually, so it's probably why he's running. Drifting the corner. Oops. He's just having fun. Hotel parking lot. Damn, dude, get out the way. Bro, people see cops, they don't move. And being on the left lane, that's the fast lane. Typical Florida drivers. Hey, that 350Z is doing pretty good. I don't know what they're saying. But either that guy was confused trying to go left and he went right. Or he trying to make the cars fall for that, which oh yeah, they got me. Oh, they proud. DUI? Cocaine? That's why he ran. You're gonna go to jail for a while, buddy. Bro, I don't know what he said, but look at the cop's face. First thing is, where does this guy think he was going? Why would you just run into a dead end he thought he could outrun a cop. If he couldn't do it in the car, he can do it on foot when they're training for that. One, he went to a dead end. Bro, like, don't do that unless you have like a really good plan, which he didn't. And then on top of that, you got cocaine on you. Should just dump that wherever you can. But didn't think, right? And the cops were so excited. They're like, hell yeah, fist bump. I know that feeling when you got all your people, your partners and stuff, and you do something or accomplish it. The cops V8 was definitely catching slowly, but it was catching that 350Z on the highway. So I guess he noticed that he was not going to run away. Like, he wasn't going to get away. There's no Hellcat. So he's like, you know what? I'm just going to get off and try to run him in the turns. But that's it, guys. That's all I got for y'all. So remember, link to Scooper's video in the description, guys. That's all I got. Remember, God is good. Put him first always. Stay blessed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to catch y'all later.